Hello friend, now I will tell you that how to data entry in MS Excel. That's what I will tell you in this video. First of all, we will write in cell. Here I will write serial number. In this cell I will write serial number. Here name. Here we will write designation. This word is long, that's why I will open this cell from here. And also I will write here basic salary. I will mention color in this word. Now we will go on color option. Here we will select here. Now I will change word color from here. I will bold this and we will put in mitten. And then you have merge from here. You have to go on merge option. Here we will write something right here. And if do you want to write quickly, you have to go form option. That's why we will select this and we will go on form option. That's why we will also mention shortcut key. But first of all, we will go on form. And I will tell you about shortcut key, about form option. I will mention this video, okay? You can see this form has opened. Serial number, name, designation, basic salary. We will write here something. Name, designation, basic salary, etc. And we will click in enter. Okay, you can see it has write it, okay? And then we will write again. And I will mention border in the sheet. That's why you have to go on border. You have to click on all border. Okay. And if you want to move this slip, I will tell you about shortcut key. You can move this slip and other place. You have to mention shortcut key. First of all, we will select all. And then I will mention shortcut key, Control X. Then you can move anywhere from here, okay? For example, I will mention this here. And then you have mentioned Control B. Control B. It have mentioned. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'm Zaheer Iqbal, motivational speaker.